Okay, folks, Larry Pesavento for TFNN. I wanted to show you here the picture where we were on March the 5th of 2009. We were making this beautiful three-drive to a bottom pattern, much like we're looking at in the markets today. Unfortunately, the market doesn't know that, and it keeps going higher and higher. But this is how I got started into this whole business of astrology stuff. I also was using 382s back here. You can see here, back here in August of 2007, there was the October high right back, where was that October high? Back here. There was the October high. Then we had the 61% retracement, and this was the big move right here, the really fast one. Tom Hugard and I were trading that together, and we got most of it. Of course, we were looking to be a buyer down here, but we didn't do much during this time right here. We basically got this big piece, and Tom said, well, that's it. He stopped trading and started studying for quite a while. So that's what we're watching here today. I believe we are still going up, as I recall here. I think we are. Hold on just a minute. I'll get up here. We have a very big divergence here in a couple of these things here. Well, I just lost in the S&P here. I had sold that against that 328 here, and it looks like I haven't got stopped out yet, but I most probably will. I sold that 382, had a little profit at one time, and now it's against me a little bit, but we are strengthening up. The NASDAQ, of course, is barely at the 382 of yesterday's range. You'll see here we did get up to the 382 when we backed off, and we're sitting there last night. See the big divergence here is what's going on. If we take a look at the Dow Jones, I want to show you this because I don't know if we have this much time for this segment, but I'm pretty sure we do. Let's get the daily up on this because this is the one that is really interesting. There's where we are. You'll see we have gone above the old high back here. You can see the head and shoulders pattern right there. You see that right there, how we've gone above that right shoulder. Now, we haven't done that yet in the Dow Jones index itself. That has not happened, but the fact that we broke above this tells us that we're still going high. We're 8 days up, but we're going to find out how much higher it's going to go. My bearishness has not dissipated at all. It's just that the timing seems to be off by a little bit, but we'll be paying close attention to that before we get too much farther into this trading that we have now. Here's the type of trade that we're going to be. Let's take a break here. We'll be right back. I want to show you a little bit about tomorrow's day trading tomorrow, folks. We're going to take a look at this. This is soybean oil.
In the